Hi, everybody. It's core word time. Yes, yes. The core word today is what? Huh? That's the core word. It's what?
Oh, you did that silly voice. You said, what?
I know. I want to show you on our core board. Here is where it is. That's our what. It has a question mark. How are we going to teach it today?
I got an idea. Let's play the what game.
The what game? I don't know how to play it.
Oh, I do. Close your eyes.
You mean me? Close my eyes?
Yep. Okay, everybody, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put something on Mr. Adams' head, and he's not gonna know what it is.
Hold on. You're going to put it on my head?
Yeah. And you're gonna have to guess what.
Oh, I see. What is on my head? Okay. All right, I guess I'm going to play.
Close your eyes.
All right, I'm closing my eyes.
My helper will put this on there, and you have to guess what is on your head.
It feels soft.
Yep.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Oh, what in the world is... Wait a minute. Is this one of my friends? Oh, I feel a little nose. I think I know what it is.
It is me.
Oh, the what was Pepe Le Pew. Hello, Pepe the Pig.
It was me. I was on your head.
That is really funny. Okay, Pepe, you are on my head. Psh, I got one less problem with what ya. I got one less problem with what ya.
You got one less Pepe.
You got it. All right, good job. Let's do it again. That'd be really fun. I'm going to close my eyes, okay?
I'm ready. Okay, what is it gonna be? Oh my. Whoa, this is a big one.
I feel like I'm wearing a hat. Is it on?
Yep, you can guess.
All right. Wow, this is different. What in the world is this? Is this gonna surprise me? Oh my. Oh, what is going on? This feels really weird. I don't know if I have a guess. Hi there. Wait a minute. I know that voice. Is that Mr. Elephant?
Yes, you got it. It's Mr. Elephant.
It is. It's like I'm wearing Mr. Elephant on my head. That's kind of funny. Hello, now I can see you. Hello. That's true. Well, you know what? I have one less problem with what, because you have helped me learn to play a game. And when there's that question mark, I can kind of guess what was on my head. At first it was Pepe, and now it is Mr. Elephant. This was really fun, Petri. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Guess what? For your core word, kids, think about what you can look for with the word what. Nice job. See you later.